Hey Gearheads, welcome back to BZB TV. This is Nate back here from the tech support team bringing you another video, and today we're going to be talking about our brand new fan favorite 4K wireless extender. That's the BG-Air4Kast. That's right, 4K right in the middle, because this unit supports up to 4K at 60 Hertz. Also it supports up to 50 meters. So if you're looking to get rid of your cables, extend your HDMI source to a display. We've had a lot of requests, a lot of interest in this unit because everyone's looking to just make things simpler, right? Get rid of your cables, whether you're in a video conferencing center, a media center, or anywhere where you're just looking to extend your source to a display without cables from one side to the other. And today we're just going to do a little demonstration on this unit. Just using, a lot of people are going to be using this with a video game system. You can use it with other sources like cameras or Blu-ray players or whatever media player you want to use. But today we're going to be showing how well it works with our PS5. Latency is very minimal. Of course, anytime you're using wireless extension, there is going to be some latency. It's not direct point to point. So there's going to be just a very minimal latency for this unit. It's only from 130 to 180 milliseconds. So it's very usable, especially in a high, fast pace video game. You could barely even recognize it. So today, we're just going to go over our setup and then kind of just display some video games and have some fun. So let's dive in. So as you can see, we have everything already set up. We have our TX, our transmitter. It has an HDMI input as well as an HDMI output. Input is for the source. So as you can see, we have our PS5 already connected going in, and then the HDMI output is for a local loop out. It's just a passive signal. So if you're looking to view your current source on your local display on the transmitting side, you could do that as well. Behind me, as you can see, we have it connected to, as an added feature, we connected to our BG-UHD VW 2x2 video wall. As you can see, we have it up and going. We just have our receiver over here, HDMI output going into our video wall processor. It supports up to 4K at 60 as well, so it makes it very simple. And like I said, HDMI out to the input on here, and then there you go. Obviously, you could connect this to like a one display, local display. But if you're playing video games, you want it on a video wall because it's nice and big, and you can play from far away and get rid of cables. So first game up, we're gonna play some Mortal Kombat, and since I have no idea how to play that, we're gonna have Flo, our wonderful videographer, jump in and show you just how well it works, the minimal latency that doesn't even bother him. So let's dive in. So as you can see, Flo's getting started here on our Mortal Kombat 11. Wow, that's a lot. But he's just gonna go and demonstrate how easy it is to play even with minimal latency at a high fast paced game that doesn't even bother him. So let's go ahead and see how it goes. So as you can see, between the transmitting side, the local display, and the video wall processor, there is a little, it's not exactly perfectly lined up, but minimal latency that you can see that it's still very playable. How's it going, Flo? Feels like you're just connected directly?
I'm pressing buttons, but I'm doing my thing right now, winning.
All right, better than I would. I just hit a bunch of buttons and wish myself good luck, and yeah, I don't get too far that way.
Okay, I'm not winning.
Well, maybe you're not.
My button pressing is not that well. Did you change the settings on me? Maybe you messed up the buttons.
Unfortunately, this unit will not make you a better video game player. It'll just make it for, get rid of those cables. Oh, you won. Hey, there you go. See, Flo is not that good at that game, but it's not due to latency because it was actually very playable at a minimal latency level. So, but we're not just gonna do one game. Let's jump into another one. Let's play some Call of Duty. Okay. Brace. All right, so smooth so far. Fire. Yeah, let's go. All right. Whee! All right, let me shoot some people so I can see. Oh, he gone. Give me your weapon. Okay, here we go. Zooming in nice. Oh, there we go. Some night vision. All right, so far, really smooth. I'll follow this guy. All right, let's see. Oh, got him. Ooh. Yeah, pretty accurate. Oh yeah. Oop, I think I hit my own guy. Yeah, it's pretty on point. I don't feel any lag. Pretty accurate. Oh. Let's get this guy. Not today. He gone. I just gotta be accurate. Oh, get down. You're hurt, get cover. Okay. Oh, seems pretty smooth for my end. I don't feel like anything's lagging. Pretty accurate. I'm just not that good at it. So, well, there's Call of Duty. Actually, let's try a little Spider-Man too. I got a little distracted. What's up, Miles? Whoa, yeah, let's go. Oh, let's go. Spider attack. Take that, Rhino. L1, Venom Punch. Yeah. Oh, watch out. No lag here either. This is a fun game. Lastly, if you're not looking to play any video games and maybe you're looking to extend to like your video wall processor or even to your TV, you could connect like a laptop or one of your even your video game systems and go to YouTube, or if you're looking to play any sort of videos or whatever, you could do that with this as well. And very low latency with all of our anything that's connected. Let's go to our favorite YouTube channel. And here we are, BZB TV, and with all these videos. So if you're looking to play any of your videos, especially from BZB TV, you can just go in here, connect it, and you're good to go. And don't forget to like and subscribe to videos like these on this channel so you'll be notified when more videos like these come out. So there you have it, folks. As you can see, another great product from BZB Gear, our 4K wireless extender, a fan favorite, highly requested, very little, as you can see, minimal latency for different games, Mortal Kombat, Call of Duty, Spider-Man, whatever it may be, or if you're looking to just stream from like YouTube. It's a very versatile unit where you can just plug pretty much any HDMI source and you're good to go, connected to a TV, video wall processor. As always, if you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments below. Love to hear from you. Love to hear any feedback as well. Any questions that we may answer, we'll get back to you as soon as we can on that. You can always hit us up at support, as well as hit up any of our sales associates. I know they would love to talk to you about this product and how it would be a great fit for your environment. And like I mentioned earlier, don't forget to like and subscribe to BZB TV so you'll be notified when more of these videos come out. And as always, have a great day. Hey-ya!